Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another yet trading session with binary options on Quotex, the platform where I trade on. The link is going to be in the description to this video to the platform, and also an invitation link to my Telegram channel where me and my team share our experience, signals and explanations about indicators and so on and so on. A lot of useful stuff. Check that out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you do enjoy the content, and let's go and start with the video of today. Okay, today we're starting with $300 Keltner channel, MACD and CCI. We're gonna go and make our first option. Let's see. Okay, maybe on this one, maybe we're gonna go in to into a call option here. Maybe it's starting to collect under this level, which is acting as a resistance level now, but it was acting as a support level. So when it collects below like this, it's actually not a bad time to let's try that out and see the results. But the idea is that it should, when it collects below the resistance level, it might break it through. But let's see. Here it is, $573 at 91% of payout on this one, and a nice balance already. 573. We're gonna have our next option. Let's choose our next victim. Okay, should we stay on this one? Let's choose another one. How about here? Okay, so this can work. We're kind of on the maximums here in the overbought section. See, so the price will probably go down after this. So let's just jump into this 1 minute option for a short, and let's wait for the result. The idea is that the middle line acted as a support level. The top line is acting actually from the Keltner channel as a support level now, but it was acting as a resistance level. So now we'll probably go and drop in price in the near minutes, at least as a pullback, because there is a bullish trend going on in general. But let's wait and see. $1,888 actually. So already we have passed $1,000 on our balance. We're going to use a maximum of $1,000 in investment area, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. I'm just seeing this. I wonder if it's gonna drop. Okay, so here let's just use this quickly. A put option for 1,000 and 1 minute. I mean, generally you see at the CCI, you see MACD, they are showing and they're indicating to go into the long, but I did this quick. I'm doing this quick option as I'm expecting a pullback in which I'm gonna get caught. So 1 minute is a time frame where you need to also think about these things. If I had if I had 2 minutes time at least, I'd probably go ahead for a call option, and then would be looking at the resistance level there. But yeah, basically it is that. The price would likely to go up after it hits this support level, but we just had a profit out of it, so that's the most important thing for us. But generally, I'd go into the long here. Let's get to next one. Okay, so we have we're gonna go ahead with one more 1,000, and on the other hand here I'm going to go into a put option straight away. The indication on the Kelton channel, we're collecting on the support level, which is the middle line, trying to break it through, and the oscillators showing me that it might break through. Maybe not just yet, but let's hope we have enough time. There it is. And it does go as needed. Okay, that's good. So I think we are good here. As the price is going down, everything goes as planned here. Maybe I wasn't too early. It was good. Okay, and here it is. Here is our 900 profit from this one option, which is 90% from the option, which was $1,000. So now we have an opportunity to do a $2,000 option, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna do just that. Let's choose our next victim. Right. So here. We could go ahead with a call option here. Actually, the indications are looking good. I think we have enough time, maybe 1 minute time. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, we have probably enough time. We have some nice indications from both oscillators and the Keltner channel here. Also, we just broke the resistance line, which is the middle line of the Keltner. And it, not completely, but it's trying to break it through, so I think we should do it. Hopefully we do. Hopefully there is enough time, because sometimes the option is correct, but it lacks just 30 seconds more or 1 minute more. Like here, it's trying to break through this resistance line there, but it's having some trouble. Even with that. Okay. Even with something like that, yes, we just had the profit. Okay, so this worked out, and generally it's nice. It's a nice bullish trend going on there. Okay, so this is good so far. We have 4,728 on our balance. Let's go to the next victim. Yeah, it's actually looking good. It's a nice bullish trend forming there. Until it reaches the resistance level, you could make some profit there. So here I'm looking at the support level. So let's just make this 4,000 call option. I'm looking at this support level, and I'm expecting the price to grow from this area because of the bullish trend. And hopefully we are correct here. Let's wait for the result, but basically the idea is that there is a bullish trend going on. This is a kind of a pullback to the support levels. Hopefully we're going to bounce off it and go up, and that's looking pretty good. Actually, that's looking good. we have a nice strong green candle bar. So hopefully, yeah, that's looking good. We're touching now the resistance level, and we have the profit out of this. $8,368 in total. We're gonna stop here. For today is enough. It's a really good profit for today. It's a quick session, and with a really good profit. Guys, if you enjoy this content, let me know in the messages below the video. In the description you can find all the links necessary for your trading, for your experience, for learning, etc. And I'll see you all next time. Good luck and goodbye.